Memories press between the pages of my mind. Elvis. Oh my, 10 years. 10 years ago today, I found my very first geocache. I can't believe it has been 10 years. Hey guys, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and if you don't know who I am, I've been documenting my geocaching adventures here on YouTube for over 7 years. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe. So 10 years ago today, I fired up my GPS, I found my very first geocache, and I have created so many memories from this incredible hobby slash sport of geocaching. So I was thinking to myself, how should I celebrate 10 years of geocaching? And like I said, when I opened the cache crate, it's like your geocaching birthday. And actually today is my geocaching birthday. So here I have the May 2018 cache crate. I'm gonna unbox it for you now, but not only that, I'm gonna use some of the stuff that I find inside this awesome cache crate. If you don't know what the cache crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Every month to your door, you get delivered awesome geocaching stuff. Stuff that geocachers love. Here we go. As always, tissue paper. Celebration! You guys, I've been needing this for a while, and I think every single geocacher should have this in their bag. This might be the most important thing that you have in your geocaching bag. It is a watertight first aid kit 1.0. This actually right here is like actually a really good geocaching container if you use all the contents inside here. So this bad boy is certainly going into my geocaching bag, that is for sure. In these past 10 years, I've needed a first aid kit many times. I am very clumsy, I cut myself all the time. Now I'm gonna be more prepared. Oh yes, another thing that I need for my geocaching bag that I don't have, that I've been wanting to buy, and that is a tick key. If you get a tick, you just put them around this thing and you pull gently and you get that tick off, including the head. These little buggers are probably the most dangerous thing that we encounter as geocaching, because nobody wants to catch Lyme disease, that's for sure. If you're a subscriber of the Cache Crate, you will never be in short supply of geocaching containers. Here's another preform. In here is a logbook and a pencil. I think one of my objectives today is to hide this bad boy. So every once in a while, the Cache Crate has a trackable, and the trackable this time is this beautiful bird trackable tag. So I think in celebration of my 10 years of geocaching, I think I'll send this out today. I do get the add-on trackable, and I got a sweet geocoin from Compass Creek Designs. It is the 7 Deadly Sins. We got some devilly looking guy around there with the 7 Deadly Sins all around the edges. And we got several skulls on this side, very Goonies, which I love. You know I love the Goonies. So another fantastic cache crate with lots of practical things that I can use, and also just a lot of fun things as well. It's a beautiful day. Let's go outside. Right near the water. Here's my preform right here. The geo challenge of the month this month is to find a geocache a little out of reach. So I thought this would be the perfect geocache to hide a little bit out of somebody's reach. I thought, wouldn't it be cool to hang this bad boy a little bit over the lake? All right, it is hidden. Can you spot the geocache? Probably not, unless you move slightly over here. Right there is the hide from this side. My feet are so wet right now as I'm trying to hide this. So this cache was not big enough to put a first to find prize in. So I'm gonna walk over to the cache nearby and I'm gonna drop an FDF prize in it. All right, this cache should look familiar. This is the third video that this cache has been on. It's still in good shape. And look, oh, the elephant is still in here. So I'm dropping the first to find prize in here, which is a geocaching t-shirt and a geocaching vlogger button. Boom. And in the spirit of the cache crate, I'm putting this trackable in here that I just got out of the cache crate. Its goal is to go to the Project 8 cache in Brazil. Good luck, little trackable. All right, enough geocache hiding. It's 10 years of geocaching I'm celebrating. So today, let's quickly find 10 geocaches. Let's go. All right, number 10 of the day. If I can reach it. My arms are not long enough. No! Fish it out. My arm barely reaches. All right, number 10. Dun, 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 dun. I found it. Oh, 10 geocaches, 10 years of geocaching. How fantastic is that? Guys, thanks so much for coming along for this adventure. If you're interested in the cache crate, go to cachecrate.com and you too can celebrate a geocaching holiday every month. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Woo!